All right, quick message for today. We're seeing 21 biting through to 20 contemplation. And what we're seeing with this is there is some sort of interference in the light body field today. It could be energy field or light body if you haven't activated the light body yet. And you could see this just in interpersonal relationships probably. But there's some interference and you're being asked to stay neutral, to not react to this. Just witness it for what it is, okay? That's the first action. Know that justice is happening, okay? So if you're aware of the laws of karma and cause and effect, anything that becomes distorted or imbalanced, the universe will balance it out. It's the way it has to happen, okay? You don't have to take action on this. You just need to trust that the energies will rebalance somehow and allow that to happen, okay? And then lastly, what you're being asked to do is be honest with yourself, truthful with yourself. If there's someone else that you need to be truthful with, the time is now to do that, because your honesty will actually help rebalance the scales. And if someone's being dishonest with you, then your honesty with yourself will rebalance the scales within your own life, okay? So this, whatever's going on here, is creating a distortion in the field. There is a ripple or wobble in the field. And to clear this, you can do it with your consciousness as well, with your breath and your mind and your emotion, coming into that central balanced place, feeling the field clear, okay, through intention, coming into your heart center, grounding and anchoring, and being honest with yourself about the situation, making sure you're not feeding into distortions, illusions, or fears, okay, or hope, but it's absolute truth, okay? And be honest with yourself about that. It will feel balanced. You won't feel upset. You could feel upset depending on what the situation is, but overall you will feel pretty neutral because you'll just know it's truth, okay? And I did want to talk about something that is really calling to people right now, and it is about trusting your intuition, okay, above anything else. And this is something I struggled with for a long time, and that's why I do both the analytical and the intuitive, is because I never fully trusted my intuition. And I did to a certain degree. I did enough to act on it, but I always had to have the analytical comparison to that, which I think is actually a really good thing, and it's a great way to move forward on this path. But it can limit your perception, and the way it can get distorted is if you move into self-doubt about what you're perceiving, okay? So you need to make sure you're anchored, you're grounded, you're perceiving things neutrally, and you don't need to take action. Just trust that the energies will balance themselves out one way or the other, okay? If you're in a negative situation or toxic situation, then you come into that neutrality, figure out the path out of it, and you do that as well, okay? But no, this is affecting the light body. It could be minor, it could be larger. It's kind of up to whoever's watching this and what's going on with your life, okay? So the remedy energetically is to come into that neutral space, let the universe or the energies balance themselves out. It may not happen immediately, but it will happen. It has to happen, okay? It's universal law, okay? Things have to balance out somehow. And once you do that and you have truth within yourself, then the situation will clear and your energy will also clear, okay? Sending love.